Okay, for chapter 13, we've been working on area and perimeter, and a lesson that we work on during area and perimeter is distributive property, and it's not the easiest concept to get. So today we practice using this distributive property doctor activity. So the reason why we say doctor is because we're actually going to perform an operation on this array so that we can break it apart into two smaller arrays. And we have to make an incision. The incision that we draw is going to be either a line that's horizontally or vertically breaking apart the array into two smaller arrays. So I have my 6 times 7 equation, so I drew my array, which has 6 rows with 7 in each row. Now I'm going to make my incision, and like I said, you can draw it anywhere you want. I'm just going to draw mine here. So now I consider this to be array number 1, and then this is array number 2. So now I have to write an equation for array number 1. So I know that they have 6 rows. So I'm going to write 6, and then I now have 1, 2, 3, 4. And I can skip count to figure that out. So I can go 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. Skip counting is a strategy that we're working on to help remember factors of 4 or 3 or whichever number. And then I know that here I have 6 rows, but now I have 3 in each row. Okay, so we have a little song that we sing. So 6, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. Okay, there we go. So I know that that's 18. Excuse my bad singing. Okay, now I'm going to take this equation. I'm going to put it here. And then I'm going to take this equation and I'm going to put it here. So this is our post-op. So now we're going to put it all back together, okay, after we've performed surgery. And I'm going to do 6 times 4 plus 6 times 3. Now instead of multiplying 6 times 7, now I can simply add 24 plus 18. And that gives me 42, which is the correct answer for 6 times 7. So this is just a strategy that we use to help us if we face a problem that is just a little bit out of our comfort zone. You know, a known fact that we know in a split second would be 2 times 6, and that equals 12. But 6 times 7 for some kids is not an automatic, I know this, I know the answer to this. So that's why we learn distributive property. It helps us break apart those bigger arrays to get to these smaller, easier facts to figure out, and then we put it all together to find the answer. Hopefully this helps you in case your child comes home with homework that has some more distributive problems on it. Thank you.